and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, I'm glad you came back to hang out with me. So today we are going to do a BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is going to be for the month of August. Now if you guys don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It is $25 a month for the base box. They do have a $35 a month premium box, which has a little bit more full-size products. So this one comes with, I think, 5 to 7 full-size products. The premium box, the same thing. The premium box, though, has a little different variations because the premium box will give you more name brand products. I think the premium box is really nice, but I am not subscribed to the premium box right now. I might do that later in the future. It just depends. And then they also have the BoxyLux. So the BoxyLux is I think it's every 3 months you get a larger box, and I think that comes with, I don't remember how many items it comes with, but they're all full-size products, and they're pretty much almost exclusive, not exclusive to BoxyCharm, but sometimes BoxyCharm does have products in here that you can't find anywhere else. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into this. I don't have any makeup on. I'm going to see if there's any products in here that I can try today on my face, so we're going to do that. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so like I said, I got my BoxyCharm probably, what is today? Tuesday? I think like last week on Thursday or Friday. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside, because I have not peeked. I just opened it. Alright, so this is how it comes. It comes covered up. We do have a nice little theme here. This is spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. Sorry, BoxyCharm. It does give you all the prices here, gives a little bit of insight of what the products are. And let's go ahead and peek into here. And it looks like we got a few products. Let's see. This is the first one. This is the Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. So this is the first thing that we have. And this one is going to be retailed for $12. It's a hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed. So this is cruelty-free. Again, it's made by Tarte. Let's just look at it. Oh, it's so cute. It has a little flower on it. The packaging is so cute. Can you guys see that? Ooh, it smells so good. I'm going to take a little bit, just a little bit. Sorry, guys. My cat decided she wanted to get in the way. Nope. Move. Alright. That is so cute. I love the packaging. It is so precious. And look at the box. Like the inside has the little flowers. Oh, it's so cute. I really like this. So yay for BoxyCharm. Alright. Next product that I see here is going to be Kush Before and After. This is by Milk Cosmetics. And this is a Kush Fiber Brow Gel. A tinted vegan brow gel formulated with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil for long-lasting fullness, shape, and definition. So this is interesting. It looks like it's in the color herb. This is really cute packaging. Let's look at it. Alright, now Milk is very sleek and just very, like, we're going to package everything in white. So, I like Milk's packaging. It's really cute. Here we go. So, this is the Kush Fiber Gel, Brow Gel. Sorry. Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Let's just open it and see. So, this is going to be for your brows. I currently am using the, oh, I should have gotten a mirror. But I'm currently using Thrive Cosmetics brow products, and I don't have a mirror, so let's just Ew, it's kind of dry. What the heck? Yeah, this product looks like it's dry. It's dried out. Like, you see that? Like, it didn't even want to... Normally when you do this, it comes off, but new. Gross. What's up, BoxyCharm? Did this come up dry? Like, see? I stuck it in like 3 times. It's not doing anything. Okay, it is a pretty color, but I don't think this is good. What the heck? Okay, well, that's a fail. Let's see. The next thing that we got was this is from Aesthetica. It's a sunset bronzer. Cute packaging. It is cruelty free. And let's look at it. And this one retails for $24. So like I said, my box is $25. So with this and the Tarte Sugar Rush, it's already surpassed it. The milk, of course. This one was $20 for something that's dried out. So that sucks. The Sunset Bronzer, though, is $24. So let's go ahead and look at this. I love bronzers. The packaging is very nice. It is cruelty-free, I think paraben-free, gluten-free. I can't see it. It's really hard to tell. But this is a perfect shade of amber to bestow a beachy glow without ever stepping foot on the sand. The rich coppery tone the rich coppery tone lends just the right amount of color for a natural-looking tan. So here's the color. It does have a mirror. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, it's nice and like buttery. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's like actually like my color. So you can kind of see it a little bit. I don't know. Can you guys see that? So there it is on my finger. Oh, there we go. But this is really pretty. It's a very subtle type of, yeah, bronzer. Alright, so this is nice. I'll put that aside. Let's see what else we got. Alright, we got 2 more things left. The next one, I think I chose this one and I'm so happy that I did. This is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. This one retails for $54. So this is from Hollywood, California, Glam Glow Moisture Trip. So here is the packaging. It is super cute. I love the green aesthetic. I love the star on the top. Yeah. It's 1.7 ounces or 50 mLs. So let's open this up. So this is a Moisture Trip moisturizer. It doesn't really have a scent to it, but here it is. Let's try it. Since I don't have anything on my face right now. I didn't put any moisturizer on my face this morning because I knew I was going to do this. Well, that probably didn't work. Well, that feels nice. Now, I do have a combination skin. When I was younger, I had really oily skin. As I've been getting older, my skin has kind of been calming down a little bit, but I still have my oily T-zone. But you still need to moisturize even with that. So this was really nice. It's a very thick consistency, so you don't need a lot. I think I just have a big face. But yeah, I'm excited to get this because I really, really needed some more moisturizer. Well, not really. But I really like the packaging, so this is really nice. So this was $54. And the last thing that we got was Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. Now, I did get the Violet Voss Essentials palette, which was the first one, and I think I wasn't too impressed with it, so I don't know. But this has 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss, provided all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. This retails for $36, so here is the packaging. They are pressed pigments in the palette, so let's go ahead and open it up. I didn't use the first one. I didn't really care for it. I think I gave it to somebody, but yeah. It's really pretty. I mean, the packaging is nice. I love the colors on it. But let's look. It's got like a magnetic closure kind of. Alright, it does have a small mirror in it. And here are protective case, and here are the colors. It's a really pretty color story. I mean, it's not bad. I love the purples. This green is really nice. But it's more a neutral. See, from here to there, it's more a neutral palette. It does have a couple of shimmers in here. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I would say like 4 shimmers. And the rest are mattes. I don't know. Let's look at this blue velvet color. Oh, my hands are okay. Alright. Let's swatch this blue velvet. Really pretty. It has like a little bit of a sheen to it. Here's the first one. That's blue velvet. Wild Orchard is that other purple color. Ooh, Wild Orchard. They're kind of, I mean, they don't look bad, but it's really pretty. Let's look at the sky blue, or blue sky. That one feels a little chalky. Well, no, not really. Okay, it's just my hand. Okay, that's not bad. Let's see the aqua color. That's the shimmer color. Ooh, that one's really nice. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can see that on my hand. And you kind of see like a little shimmer. Yeah, see? There's a little bit of shimmer. That's the aqua one. Let's try the copper. This is the copper. Ooh. Okay, that's really nice and buttery. This is pretty palette. This is a really pretty palette. Okay. So that was the bottom row. This is blue velvet. This one is Wild Orchard. This one is blue sky, aqua, and copper. And those are all really pretty colors. I really like that copper one. It's really pretty. You can kind of see it on my finger. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do the top row. Let's go ahead and do the beige color, which is the very first one on the top left corner. That one is a very transitional shade for me because it seems to be exactly my color. You can't really see it there. I put it right here and you can't see it. It kind of blended into my skin color. So that one's okay. This one is clay. That's more of a transition color. That's the clay color. These are the neutral colors, so it's really hard to get them. There you go. Clay. Then we have rose gold, which is a shimmer. This top palette, this top is very neutral, like very my everyday neutral, I guess. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really hard to get it. And it's on my finger. You can kind of see. I don't know. Okay. Chocolate brown, which is a deep brown. I mean, it's in the word, chocolate. There's the chocolate. And then the last one is bronze. Again, this one's probably going to be like my skin tone, but we're going to see. I'll put it up here. And there's the bronze. Bronze is right here. That one's really pretty too. It's got like a shimmer, like a very nice little glow to it. This is the worst angles ever. Okay. So this is a really nice neutral palette. You can throw in a pop of color just to spice it up, maybe for the evening time. But yeah, so let's go ahead and calculate what our box was worth. So let's see. Let me get my calculator out here. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 full-size products, one of which did not go very well. So this palette is $54, which, okay. I'm sorry, it's $36. The Glam Glow Moisturizer was $54. The Milk Cosmetics was $20, the one that didn't work. Then we have Aesthetica, the bronzer, which was $24. And then we got the Tarte Lip Sugar, which was $12. So our total came up to $146. And I think they say it's like oh shoot. I want to say it's $100 worth of product in the base box. I can't remember, but yeah. So it was $146 value for the box. I paid $25 for it, so not too bad. I'm really disappointed in the milk because I would have really liked to try this. Since I'm getting more into the brow gels, the fiber, or the brow gels in particular. As I mentioned before, I do use the Thrive Cosmetics brow gel, and I use the line definition pencil from them that I absolutely love. And I was really disappointed that the milk was not working, so that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you would. And again, if you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe. I will be posting videos. Right now, it looks like every week on Thursday is my goal to have a video up every week by Thursday. So I'll have a couple of videos going on. If I do 2, that might be a special occasion because maybe perhaps I ordered something and it came in and I wanted to test it out. So yeah, so just keep a lookout for my videos and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.